Hello guys, and welcome to Maths But Why. Today we'll try to solve this particularly tricky question. But before doing that, let's try and have a look to a much simpler version of that previous question. Solving this second question first, you'll get a better idea about how to tackle the first one, which is a bit more difficult. The question says that we have 4 people that need 5.25 hours to dig a hole. And how long will it take for 7 people to dig the same hole? 4 people need 5.25 hours to dig a hole. Let's try to find out how much it will take to one person. It's clear that it will take much longer. So we'll need to multiply 5.25 by 4, which gives us 21 hours, which makes a lot of sense. Now, moving forward, the question asks us for 7 people. We already know that one person needs 21 hours. Therefore, 7 people will take a shorter time. So, 21 hours divided by 7 gives us 3 hours. And this is our answer. 7 people will need 3 hours to dig the same hole. Now let's try to tackle the second question. If you think you know how to do it, you can pause the video now and return back when you're done. Okay, so this one, it's a bit more trickier because we have 3 things that we are concerned with. The examiner's hours, so duration, and the amount of exam papers they managed to mark. The question asks us, the question is telling us that 5 examiners need 4 hours to mark 125 exam papers. How long will it take for 8 examiners to mark 200 papers? Let's try to split this question in half. For the first half, we'll be concerned with examiners and hours. At the moment, we don't care at all about the exam papers. So what we know is the fact that 5 examiners need 4 hours to do whatever they need to do. We are not concerned about that now. Therefore, one examiner will need much longer, which is 4 times 5, 20 hours. If we already know that one examiner needs 20 hours, the question asks us for 8. Therefore, 8 examiners will need 20 divided by 8, which is 2.5 hours. So, now we know that 8 examiners need 2.5 hours to mark 125 papers. There are still 125 papers because we haven't changed a thing about that third number. And now we'll work just with those 2. So we have 2.5 hours that are needed for 125 papers. Therefore, for one paper, you'll need 2.5 divided by 125, which is exactly 0.02 hours. Now we know that one paper needs 0.02 hours to be solved by 8 examiners. But we need 200 papers. Therefore, 200 papers need 0.02 hours times 200, which gives us 4 hours. So now we have the answer for our question, which is 8 examiners need 4 hours to solve, actually to mark 200 papers. And that is it for today. See you later.